Ever thought of listening to music and making money online? One song can get you paid $7. And let me tell you something. I tried this method and it works like a charm. How charming, I woke up one day to find my dashboard and I had $900. Now bear with me. I will personally give you tips on how you will make money online listening to music like I did. But before we begin, I would like to welcome you to Money Heist, a channel where we teach you to make money online. Want you to go and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified when a new video is uploaded. I personally make the majority of my income and say you are giving your time for listening to music using YouTube via YouTube automation business. Here, you won't need to show your face or record anything, and there are channels that pay us between $400 to $700. I mean, it's gonna take a lot of time to get here, but still getting $900 for listening to music. But hey, imagine your favorite music making you money. Just what we need, right? Don't worry, there are different ways you can get money by choosing the method that is feasible to you to withdraw, such as PayPal, Payoneer, even Ethereum. So make sure you select the method and sign up so you can receive your money. Now, first of all, I want you to go directly to Pixabay.com for music. Basically, Pixabay is where we can get music copyright free. This means you can re-upload the content to other platforms with full rights to you. On Pixabay, you can see on the left that there are different genres, as you can see on the left side. Just go and select the music that suits you. I chose the electronic upbeats beat. Now, each of the music can make you around $7. So select the music and listen to it. The ones you like and something that you believe people will listen to, just click and download it. Repeat and download as many as you can or as you want. The more you have, the more you can earn, creating a passive income for you. Next, I want you to go to the link given below in the description. This is a platform where you can upload different things such as music, text files, videos, pictures, anything. So you upload different files and get paid while doing so. Basically, not only will they allow you to upload your files for free, but they will also pay you when you do that. So as you can see, you can upload your files safely and withdraw profits. The reason they are paying you is because when someone you know downloads, they will receive ads. So basically, they are paying you a part of the commission of the ads. So that's how both you and the platform makes money. You don't need to make any premium membership accounts or pay for anything. Just make a free account on this platform. Now bear with me. In order to upload files, you will need to sign up on this platform. So make sure you go on, enter your valid details such as your first name, your last name, your email address, and of course, a password to log in. You will be paid according to downloads as per the location. There are tiers like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and tier 4. So wherever you will fall, you will get paid according to that. For me, it pays me for 100 downloads. Scroll down and you can choose for a payment method that suits you, like I described earlier in this video. I chose PayPal because, hey, I think this suits me. But you can choose even Payoneer or even Ethereum. You can also use this platform and refer it to different people. That way, you will make money, commissions over referrals. Once they sign up, it will pay you. So you can go and refer people to join and in return, get paid for it. Once you made the profile and logged in, just upload the music that you downloaded from Pixabay. Write a brief description such as this, electronic upbeat, copyright free. Once you write the description, give a title and make sure it is public. Then go ahead and click upload. Once this is uploaded, you will need to be patient and wait for someone to download the music. You can set a price like $7, and let me be honest, people want copyright-free music on their YouTube videos, so they would love to download something they can find easy and free. You will need to use social media networks to attract people to download this music. Though this will take time and effort by sharing the music link, in the end, it will pay you the amount you deserve. Anyways, I hope you liked the idea, the method that I showed you in this video. If you liked the video, do give us a like and give us a comment below. Do subscribe to our channel and make sure to click on the bell icon to be notified for the next video I upload. This is it from Money Heist. I will see you next time.